Many, many years ago, there lived two girls. They were the best of friends, inseparable. They did everything together. Their names were Callie Culas and Stu Pidgirl. On the way to their first day of kindergarten, they made a pact to always be the best of friends. As the years went by, it became clear that Callie Culas had a gift. She was born with a supernatural ability to do math. However, for Stu Pidgirl, math wasn't so easy. She would study every day and night, but still got every problem wrong that she ever attempted. Stu Pidgirl grew to resent Callie Culas. She would dream of a day where Callie Culas was nothing. As the years went by, Callie Culas became known as Captain Derivative and made it her life goal to spread the love of calculus. Stu Pidgirl took on an alter ego, Dr. Antiderivative. She made it her life mission to destroy everyone else's love for math and make everyone hate it as much as she did. Captain Derivative and Dr. Antiderivative became enemies and engaged in many battles. This is the story of the biggest battle they ever fought. Hello, I'm Captain Derivative, here to save the day.
I'm so glad you're here. Follow me. We have a serious problem. Get it? Kidding.
What's the problem?
I'm the calculus teacher at the school and my star student has gone missing.
Was there any evidence left behind?
I found this in her textbook.
Know where she is. Dr. Antiderivative has taken her hostage, so we must go find her.
Oh, look what I found. I think this might be a hint.
This must be the derivative of the side that I should go. I can either go to the left, or I can go to the right. States negative 24x cosine squared cubed of 3x squared sine 3x squared. Side 1 states y equals 3 sine squared of 4x. So the chain rule states f prime of g of x times g prime of x times x prime in order to find the derivative. So in order to do this, this is for side 1. In order to do this, we're going to use the u substitution method. Sine of 4x will be u, and 4x will be v. So that means we can rewrite u as sine of v. U prime would be cosine of v times v prime. V is 4x, and so v prime is going to be 4. So u prime is equal to cosine of 4x times 4. Now we're going to rewrite y. Y is going to be 3u squared. So y prime will be 6u times u prime. Once you plug everything in, we get y prime equals 6 sine of 4x times 4 cosine of 4x. This all is simplified to be y equals 24 cosine of 4x sine of 4x. That is not the same as the clue, so we have to try side 2. Side 2 is y equals cosine of 3x squared to the fourth. We're going to use the u substitution method again. Cosine of 3x squared will be u, and v will be 3x squared. So u prime will be, u will be written as cosine of v. So u prime will be negative sine of v times v prime. V is 3x squared, so v prime is 6x. So we're going to rewrite u prime as negative sine of 3x squared times 6x. And then we're going to rewrite y as u to the fourth, and so y prime is 4u to the third times u prime. So once we plug everything in, we get y prime equals 4 cosine of 3x squared to the third times negative sine of 3x squared times 6x. This simplified is the same as the clue. So we must take side 2. I have solved the clue, so now we must take side 2 this way. I'm getting a phone call.
If you want to find your precious calculus student, you must travel along the graph s of t equals 3 square root of x squared plus 4. You have 7 minutes to come or she will be dead.
So what do we have to do now?
It means we have to find the velocity and figure out how fast I need to travel to get there.
Okay, let's go.
The equation given was s of t equals 3 square root of x squared plus 4. So s prime of t is equal to the velocity, which is what we need to find. So we have to find the derivative of the top. So we're going to label u as x squared plus 4. U prime would be 2x. V of t equals 1/2 times 3 times u to the negative 1/2 times u prime. So we're going to plug in everything and get 3 over 2 is equal to x squared plus 4 to the negative 1/2 times 2x. This is rewritten as 3x over square root of x squared plus 4. When we plug in 7, we end up getting 2.88 miles per hour. We found all of this using the chain rule. We figured it out. We have to travel 2.88 miles per minute to get there in time.
Okay, we better hurry.
Let's go! I found her! She's over there!
Captain Derivative! You're a fool! You can't get past my vat of liquid!
I can, because I know the graph of this pool. And all I have to do is find the slope and jump at that slope to get her.
No!
Graph the pool as y equals cosine of 2 times x squared plus 4x minus 3 squared. We're going to use the chain rule and make u 2 times x squared plus 4x minus 3 squared. That would make v x squared plus 4x minus 3. So we're going to rewrite u as 2v squared. U prime would be 4v times v prime. V is equal to x squared plus 4x minus 3, so v prime is 2x plus 4. We're going to rewrite u as 2 times x squared plus 4x minus 3 squared, and then u prime would be all of that. So we're going to write y as cosine of u, and y prime would be negative sine of u times u prime. So when we plug everything in, we get negative sine of 2 times x squared plus 4x minus 3 squared times 4 times x squared plus 4x minus 3 times 2x plus 4. I found the slope! Been defeated! I have rescued the girl once again, Captain Antiderivative.
Well, shit.
No! You're going to...
No!
No! Finally defeated you, Dr. Antiderivative.
Oh my god, thank you. You saved my life.
I see you driving in class during calculus and you got f of u, which you want to find the derivative of. It's just f prime u and a du 2, it's just a chain. The great calculus tool. Do you use it when? You use it when there's an inside and an outside that you can write as f of u.